Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to insert a data into created database table. While using query window to prepare insert statement, it's a very easy. I'll show you the basic insert statement with the syntax I'll prepare first, and later we'll see the practical way how to we are inserting data into insert like a applying insert statement. How it is we'll see. I'm using for this the purpose I'm using reg underscore user and the column which is consisting of id, name, phone number, photograph, reg underscore date. For this I'll show you it's a very clearly with the help of name and phone number I'm going to discuss and show you how to submit the data to adding like a database table. As you know, and we have a set as in a first column, it's an auto increment ID, like a identity specification, it's a set as yes. So we need not to send a data parameter to this particular ID column. So we'll plan to send like a name and phone number. First we'll see name for the construction of the basic statement, like how it would be the basic statement of insert statement. It is like the keyword of insert into table name, which table you are going to using to like inserting the data reg underscore user, reg underscore user, insert into table name, where we have to map the columns here very clearly. The table columns, what are the column, how it is, the name of the column you have to specify here, and what are the order you are specifying the column names, the same order only you have to send the data items. Okay, you simply see here like the first column I am taking it's in a name, the data table if I open the name is in column, here it is there. Now within the parenthesis I have written the column like the selection of the column, and the values, take the value, what is the data value I'm sending here, the value it can be it's in a string, I'm sending it's in the name of the person, my name is Shekhar, I'm sending it as a Shekhar, that's it, and terminate it with the semicolon. Now it's over. This is the basic syntax and the basic insert statement of to inserting the data into a particular table. Now this table is having many columns, whereas I am sending one particular column only, I am sending the data. What you have to concentrate here, if it is in a mandatory column, you have to try to send the data. Then only the insert statement will fulfill and execute successfully the data to be inserted. Otherwise, it won't be inserting data into the table. Now, these all the columns are acceptable for null. So I am sending only that concentration on name only. Whereas this is the column of ID auto increment, it will be automatically increment by 1, the plus 1 with the value. Okay, let's see for execution of this statement. Now just press execute here. Now the in something values shaker I have values we have to specify. Now execute here. See, one row affected, completion time. It is successfully inserted. Now you try to refresh the table, execute query. You see here the ID is 2, Shaker is inserted. All you have to see this window for the designer, right click on the table, edit top 200 rows. Then you will get this window. Okay. And if I want to, for the third row, what I'm doing, I'm adding one more parameter. How I am adding here? Here, making in a comma, just write the parameter name here, name comma phone. Values, you observe that values how I am sending here. Some extension of the number. That's it. This is the order. First and second I'm making is in a first name and second one is phone. Values are also similarly. First column it will be inserted as a name. And now I can insert here Sudha. And the name, phone number is this is the column second one. Here I am sending this is the phone number, some example. And like it is an like a 615. All right. Now try to execute the statement. Yes, one row is affected. Means the row is inserted successfully. Just come here, right click and execute this query. You will see here, see Sudha, third row. The data part is inserted successfully. The name and the consistent of phone number. This is the way how the application from inserting statement will be prepared on programming language of any language, Python, Java or C Sharp, any language you take. This is the way we have to map the data parameters while preparation of the insert statement. Okay. To our next lecture, we'll see how to update the already inserted data records in the database. Okay, I hope you understand how to insert into the database the column. And here you can specify number of columns by making the comma and specify the value, the order, which order you are followed by selection of the column names here. Based on the column name only, you have to write the order of the values here. It is the basic value like a insert statement only. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.